way through the dirt road to Usal Beach. Packed all the way. Alright, this is it. We at first we were gonna sleep over there, but it was way too far, so we relocated to these two big logs. And this is camp. We're gonna camp right next to the beach. My wife is setting up the tent right now. Got the fire pit right there, canopy. The Lexus. It's doing good right now. A little bit heavy for all this stuff. Alright, look at that beautiful view. Nice little restaurant right here at Usal Beach. Come through. Simple dishes.
We should do the fast
one.
Get me? Mama?
Kick. Wow. Kick. Kick. Wow. Kick. No, no, no. No. You bad girl.
Is that to a boat?
Yeah. All right. Ooh. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday morning here at Usal Beach. Here we go. This is our campground. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit around, a little spin around. All right. So the plan was to do a little bit of fishing for the surf perch, but I totally forgot about my bait. So it's okay. We're gonna try to hook up on a piece of sausage and let's see where it goes. All right, wish me luck. Man, this is a beautiful view. This guy is stuck. His four-wheel is not working currently. And I'm not too sure what these guys are catching. They may be catching some sand crabs. Let's take a look at them. All right, went on a solo mission to go find some firewood. Found some firewood already. Just going all back downhill, so I'm gonna try to use my downhill assist. So put it 4 low, as you can see, and then put it in downhill assist, and then you just let it roll. It should do the braking for you. Here we go. No foot on the brakes. You can hear the ABS doing its thing. You don't want to keep your foot on the brake pedal. Just do its thing. I'm in the middle of the Lost Coast. Let's see. Perfect way to use my downhill assist, so let's keep going. Guys, here's my DIY smoker for a camp. So all you need is just charcoal, and I forgot to bring some wood chips, but 2 full pans, skewers, charcoal, and that's about it. Pretty much you offset it, charcoal. Smoke should come through right here, and it should go onto your meat. So I'm gonna be cooking some tri-tip later. Just put this over here, and yeah, it should take about 3 hours for my tri-tip that I'm doing. I even add these little line tabs. Bam. And then it should be good. 4 sides. Coals are nice, hot, and ready. Let me see where the temperature's at. Oh, forgot to turn it on. Well, let's measure the internal temperature. Pretty sure it's gonna be over 350 for sure. It's over 350. We'll come back when it's down to 300 and we'll throw the tri-tip in. So, this is the tri-tip. Take this part closest to. So the rub I'm using is it's a black rub, Jolly Rogers garlic jalapeno rub. Close this up. Check this back in 3 hours. All right, see you in a bit. Oh. All right, guys. Took a little nap. Waiting on that smoker. All right, it's been about 2 hours. An hour and 30 minutes. Let's see where they're at. Oh yeah. All right, let's see what the first cut looks like. Small smoke ring. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Look at baby. Look.
Yeah. Chef Phoebe. This is at 135. Last night of camp. Had a great time at Usal Beach. Would I come here again? Most definitely. I gotta come here with crew. I need all my 4x4s. Everyone has a fire going. Got a fire going, they all got music going. Alright. Just got off the road to Usal Beach, right around that corner right there. And now we're pulled over to air up the car. We are back at 23, we're 23 PSI all around. Now we're gonna see how long it takes to inflate the cars back up to, probably just do to 35. So make sure this is set down. right. So it was reading at 45, but when you turn it off, it rechecks the pressure for you. But it went from 23 to 42 psi within like maybe 6-7 minutes, which is not bad at all. This is the ezflate, the case system. So it just hooks up to your battery, and all of these right here. It has these easy chucks, which makes it a quick disconnect and reconnect as well for all 4 tires. Overall, I like it.